Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the kit has each item. This avoids interruptions later. Next, tie your hair back and remove all makeup. Make sure your hands are clean. Now, apply the cleanser with circular motions for 60 seconds to lift dirt. Rinse with lukewarm water. Once done, steam or place a warm towel on your face for 5-8 minutes to open pores. This step improves product absorption and makes extraction safer, so don't skip it. After steaming, you exfoliate to remove dead skin. Apply the scrub or enzyme product and massage for 1-2 minutes, avoiding the delicate eye area. Once exfoliated, make sure your hands and tools are sanitized. Use the extraction tool gently, pressing along the pore's natural angle rather than forcing. Wipe each extraction with a clean tissue and antiseptic. This reduces irritation and infection risk. When finished, rinse your face, pat dry, and you now smooth the kit's mask over your face in an even layer. Leave it for 10-15 minutes while you relax in a cool room. This helps soothe and tighten. Once the time is up, rinse with cool water to close pores, pat dry, and apply the provided serum followed by moisturizer to lock in hydration. Finally, if you notice prolonged redness or sensitivity, use a cold compress for 5-10 minutes and skip active ingredients for 24-48 hours to let the skin recover.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.